The 2024 KTM 300 XC-W HARDENDURO is a high-performance enduro motorcycle designed for hard enduro races. It is an enhanced version of the KTM 300 XC-W, featuring an exclusive HARDENDURO package. With input from top riders like Manuel Lettenbichler, the bike is built to excel in extreme racing conditions. It boasts a range of protective components, including hand guards, clutch slave cylinder protection, and a composite skid plate. The bike's features include a new frame, closed-cartridge suspension, refined bodywork, and industry-leading throttle body injection technology. It comes with a variety of specialized parts such as a HARDENDURO bar pad, orange frame, and a factory wheelset with Metzeler 6 days extreme tires. The engine is a 300 cubic centimeters two-stroke powerplant with a focus on providing maximum power and torque at a minimal weight. Adjustability is a key highlight, with tool-free suspension setup, hand-adjustable dual compression controls, and a map selection switch for choosing between standard and aggressive power maps. The air filter box is designed for maximum airflow and minimal water intrusion, and the fuel tank is transparent for easy fuel level monitoring. Serviceability is emphasized, with easy access to service parts and added service markers. The bike features a one-piece fuel pump and filter, improving fuel supply. The 2024 model includes a new off-road control unit, replacing electronic fuses and relays, enhancing error detection on the trail. Ergonomics are rider-focused, providing improved knee contact, mud expulsion features, and a polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe for exceptional rider feel. The bike is equipped with a reliable electric start system powered by a lightweight lithium-ion battery. The frame is engineered for longitudinal rigidity, featuring a gloss orange powder-coated frame, redesigned footrest mounts, and a new forged one-piece side stand. The subframe is ultralight, shorter, and more robust, integrating electronic components efficiently. The suspension consists of a new 48mm WP-XACT closed-cartridge fork and an updated PDS rear shock concept. The bike rolls on a full factory wheelset with high-strength black DID alloy wheels and Dunlop MX-33 front and at 81 rear tires. Braking is handled by a floating front brake disc and a solid rear brake disc with standard brake protection. The bike's stability is enhanced by repositioned and forged steering head connection, orange anodized CNC milled triple clamps, and topology-optimized rubber-mounted bar mounts. The KTM 300 XC-W HARDENDURO also features a custom-designed seat for maximum grip and freedom of movement. The frame acts as a shock absorber, reducing rider fatigue, and the LED headlight unit provides 300% more illumination for improved visibility in the dark. The US MSRP price for the 2024 KTM 300 XC-W HARDENDURO is $13,049, and international pricing varies.